Let's talk about the Uniguide drawer slide installation jig. Now, if you're anything like me, setting up drawer slides is kind of a pain in the butt. Not something to look forward to. It's tedious, it's time consuming, and that's where the Uniguide comes into play. This jig is really, really great. It has infinite adjustability for all of these. You could just loosen it up, tighten it up, and it seriously stays put. It also has adjustability for your holes and different patterns for your drawer slides. You will just adjust it, tighten it up, and then you're gonna wanna use the drill bit, sold separately, the Euro self-centering bit. It's made to fit perfectly with these hole locations, and when you pre-drill, your slides will line up perfectly. Now, one awesome thing about this is it keeps everything in line and perfectly ready for an installation. So you're gonna set this on one side of your cabinet, drill, 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 and all you have to do is move it to the other side, drill, those will line up perfectly. Now, if I was in the market for one of these, I would definitely be buying one and setting it up for whatever my most common drawer application is. So maybe I have 3 drawers or 2 or 4, and it's always the same, spacing. This thing would be permanently locked down, maybe scratch some lines into it just to make sure no one touched anything or moved it, and then boom, it's always ready. And then have another one just in case for those random applications, maybe a drawer slide on top of a door, or maybe just, a double drawer setup. Not only can you use this jig on pre-manufactured cabinets that's already been constructed, you can also use it beforehand with this. So if you have your plywood all laid out, you don't want to put your box together yet, but yet you want to be able to put your drawer slide holes in place, you can use this little feature here. It goes back and forth, so you can lay it down. It'll lock onto your plywood or whatever wood you're using, and it'll go to the front of it, drill all your stuff, and then flip it. This part goes the other way. It locks in, and it's ready to go. Really great, strong setup for pretty much any drawer slide manufacturer. So you can adjust these, line them up. Once you get it right the first time, it's going to be right every time after.